the fire alarms are over. Because of that, I'm ungrounded forever. I'm ungrounded for life. I agree with them. Me too. Everybody did well on the fire alarm. Oh yeah, great job, Flower. You've been ungrounded for life at the fire alarm. Go straight to the principal's office and you will get 80 years off. Flower, what brings you here to my office? I got ungrounded at the fire alarm. Flower, I'm so proud of you. You got ungrounded at the fire alarm. You will get 80 years off. Go home now. Flower, aren't you out of your mind? I can't believe you got ungrounded at the fire alarm. You were super ungrounded for one for 1,000 for 3, 5, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2 for 32, 52, 82, 92, 2, 1, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 81, 81, 81, 82, 72, 81, 82, 82, 82, 82, 32, 32, 32, 32 years. I will feed you for infinity years. You can go to McDonald's, whatever you want to do. Because it's lunchtime. Thanks, Flower the Second. You're the best.